Welcome to the Tennessee RiverLine Digital Guide, brought to you by the Tennessee RiverLine and the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga's IGT Lab. Before we dive into the digital guide, we're greeted by a screen that contains information about the river and disclaimers regarding how this application should be used. Please be aware of the inherent risks associated with outdoor recreation and use this application as a reference along with your own knowledge. After you've read this, you can click on the box next to I agree and click OK. Wow, look at all of these places that could be explored. If you want to find out more about a place, you can zoom in and click on a point. A pop-up with information will appear. We have a variety of details for different boat ramps, canoe and kayak launches, marinas, campgrounds, parks, and stores that are near the river. We also understand that we might not have all of the information for a given place. So we placed a link for our data suggestion survey at the bottom of the pop-up of each of these points. There are several widgets to be aware of in this digital guide. We'll start with the ones on the top left to explore. First, there's a base map toggle where you can switch to different background maps to help give more context. Next, there's a Near Me widget, which will take in an address, or it'll take in your current location and find features within a certain radius around you. Next, there's a sharing widget where you can share this application on different social media platforms, or you can copy and paste the link in a platform of your choice. And here at the end, we have a bookmarks widget, which has all of the river towns along the Tennessee River. You can click on these to quickly navigate to the general area of each river town. Next, on the top right of this screen, you'll see other icons to interact with. What's automatically open is the layer list that also functions as a legend for all of the icons on the map. You can toggle these layers on and off so that you can look at particular layers individually. There's also a search widget in case you want to look for a particular place, and you can use a specific address or the name of the place. Last, there's an About Me widget, which has more information regarding this application, contact information for the creators of this application, and a link for our data suggestion survey.